Last Tuesday, I checked my Stripe account and saw $847 sitting there. 7 days. One free AI tool I set up in under 10 minutes. No personal brand, no camera, no product, no ad spend. Here's what most people get wrong about making money with AI. They think the money is in creating content. It is not. The money is in fixing problems that small businesses are already losing revenue over, problems they know exist, but do not have the time or skill to solve. By the end of this video, you will have a specific AI income method, the exact tools to use, and you will know how to land your first paying client in the next 48 hours, even if you have never made $1 online. I spent 4 months testing 12 different AI income methods across multiple markets: India, UK, US. I tracked real dollar amounts, real hours invested, and real client response rates. What I am about to show you outperformed every other method by a wide margin. The entry cost is zero. The skill requirement is low. The demand is high and growing. Method 1. The tool that started everything. The free AI tool is Claude, made by Anthropic. Not ChatGPT. Not Gemini. Claude. The free version at Claude.ai is where I started. No credit card required. Here is why Claude is the right tool for this method specifically. It follows complex multi-step instructions better than any other free model right now. It writes in a natural human tone that does not sound robotic out of the box. And it handles long documents without losing track of context halfway through. That third point is critical for what comes next. Go to Claude.ai. Create a free account. That is your only setup step. Method 2. The income method, AI email auditing. Small businesses have broken email sequences. Their welcome series is generic. Their abandoned cart emails are flat. Their post-purchase follow-ups leave money on the table. These business owners know it. They just lack the time and copywriting skill to fix it. You step in, collect their existing emails, run an audit using Claude, deliver a rewritten sequence, and charge for the improvement. That is the entire model. Income potential, $150 to $500 per audit. 2 audits per week puts you at $300 to $1,000 every 7 days. In my first week, I completed 3 audits at an average of $282 each. That produced the $847 I showed you at the start. Here is how to start today. 3 steps only. Step 1, pick any e-commerce brand you have bought from. Opt into their email list. Wait 72 hours and save every email they send you. Step 2, paste those emails into Claude with this exact prompt: you are an email conversion specialist. Audit the following email sequence for a small e-commerce brand. Identify the 3 biggest weaknesses in open rate, tone, and call to action. Then rewrite each email to fix those weaknesses while matching the brand's existing voice. Step 3, take Claude's output and build a simple PDF comparison. Old email on the left. Rewritten version on the right. Send that PDF to the brand's marketing contact or founder on LinkedIn with this subject line: I rewrote your welcome sequence. Here is a free sample. Concrete proof. My first client was a tea company selling online. 5 email welcome sequence. I pasted their emails into Claude. 9 minutes later I had a full rewrite. I sent the comparison PDF on Monday morning. They paid $215 by Wednesday afternoon. First client, first week, 0 experience. Method 3. Finding clients in 20 minutes flat. You do not need a portfolio. You do not need a website. You need a LinkedIn account and 20 minutes. Search LinkedIn for any product founder. Use search terms like founder skincare, founder coffee brand, founder fitness gear. Filter by company size, 10 to 50 employees. These businesses have real revenue but no dedicated email specialist on staff. Send this message, copy it exactly: hey, I noticed your welcome email is missing a social proof element and a clear call to action. I rewrote it as a free sample. Want me to send it over? That message gets a response rate around 30%. I sent 47 messages in week 1. 14 people responded. 3 became paying clients. The sample gives you credibility before you have any track record. Method 4. Upgrade to Claude Pro when you are ready to scale. Once you have your first 2 or 3 paying clients, upgrade to Claude Pro. $20 per month. At $150 per audit, you cover that cost with your first client. Every audit after that is margin. Claude Pro gives you access to projects, which lets you store client context across sessions. You run faster, deeper audits. You handle more clients per week without losing quality. The link to Claude Pro is in the description below. That is an affiliate link. I use this tool myself daily, and if you sign up through it, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Method 5. Add Jasper to charge premium rates. When you are ready to move upmarket, add Jasper to your workflow. Jasper is a professional AI writing platform built for marketing teams. Here is why this increases your income. Larger companies, 50 to 200 employees, respond differently when they know you are using professional-grade software. Saying "I use Jasper's brand voice feature to match your existing guidelines" before rewriting is a signal that you operate at a professional level. That framing alone lets you charge $400 to $800 per audit instead of $150 to $300. Do not start with Jasper. Start with free Claude. Get 5 clients. Then consider adding Jasper to double your average project value. Jasper link is also in the description. Method 6. Convert one-time clients into recurring revenue. The most common mistake new AI freelancers make is treating every project as a one-off. Email sequences expire. Brands launch new products. Seasonal promotions need new copy every quarter. After you deliver your first audit, send this follow-up within 1 week. Most growing brands refresh their email sequences every 90 days to match new offers and promotions. I can manage that for you on a monthly retainer. $199 per month covers 2 audits and 1 full sequence refresh per season. 1 yes turns unpredictable hustle into guaranteed monthly income. I currently have 2 retainer clients. That is $398 per month that requires roughly 4 hours of work. Those 2 clients alone would cover a comfortable side income in most markets. Method 7. Use Notion AI to look like a real operation. Notion AI is the organizational layer that makes everything else easier to manage and more impressive to clients. Store your audit templates, prompt libraries, client notes, and invoices all in one place. When you get a new client, share a Notion client portal with them. They can see audit progress, leave feedback, and approve deliverables without a single back-and-forth email. That one detail, a professional client portal, has helped me justify higher rates on 3 separate projects. The free version of Notion is enough to start. Notion AI link is in the description if you want the full feature set. One more thing before I wrap up. This method scales significantly faster if you pick one niche and stay there. Instead of pitching every type of brand, choose one vertical. I chose health supplements in month 2. Within 4 weeks of focusing exclusively on that space, I had a waiting list of brands who wanted audits. Why? Because I could say with confidence, I have audited over 20 supplement email sequences and I know exactly what drives opens and purchases in this category. Specialists charge double what generalists charge. Pick one niche: skincare, pet products, online courses, fitness equipment, and become the obvious choice in that space. Your close rate will increase inside of 30 days. If you want a repeatable AI income method, you can start this week with no upfront cost and no existing audience. Subscribe, because next week I am showing how I turned one of these email clients into a $2,400 per month content partnership using only free tools. Drop a comment right now. Which niche are you going to pitch first? I read every comment and I will personally reply to the first 20 people who answer.